Hey guys, it's Sam G here. I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite fish today, the red drum. These fish are found in coastal waters all along the Gulf of Mexico and up the Atlantic coast to Massachusetts. These fish have lots of different names depending on where they're found, including redfish, spottail, channel bass, or just red. Male red drums have the ability to make a drumming noise by contracting muscles that run along their swim bladder in an action similar to thumping a balloon with a rubber band. Males use this noise to attract females during spawning. Red drums are typically a reddish copper color along their dorsal side, fading into a silvery white color along their belly. The depth of a red drum's color is heavily dependent on the habitat in which they are found. Red drums found in sandy habitats tend to be a ghostly light color, while red drums found in mangroves, oyster bars, and muddy estuarine habitats are a darker copper color to blend in with their surroundings. These fish also have a distinctive eye spot on their body right before their tail. These spots mimic an eye and are used to deceive predators by drawing attention away from their head. Most red drums have one spot on each side of their body, but it is not uncommon to find a fish with several spots. It is uncommon, however, to find them without any spots at all. The spots on every red drum are unique in shape, size, and placement to that fish. You may have noticed that the tips of these red drum tails are blue. This happens to be my favorite thing about these fish. Scientists are unsure of what causes these red drum tails to turn blue, and not all red drums have a hint of blue in their tail, but it sure is cool. Red drums are mostly bottom feeders, which is why we see their mouth is angled towards the ground. During different seasons, red drums eat different things depending on what is available to them at the time. Occasionally, it is possible to see a red drum's tail sticking out of the water like we see here. This behavior is referred to as tailing because the fish has its mouth down at the bottom, searching for food, making its tail stick up out of the water. During the red tide event in 2018, the population of red drums declined severely in southwest Florida. In response, the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission enacted catch and release only measures on fishing regulations in the area for red drum. These measures are in place to allow for maximum population growth so red drums can recover and thrive for years to come. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to tune in again next week for more nature near you.